Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. CEO and Strategic Director of the Asia Pacific Institute for Broadcast and Development, Ms. Philomena Nanapragasam. Members of AIBD Delegation, Managing Director of Public Service Media, Deputy Managing Director, Executive Directors, Senior Management of PSM. On behalf of Public Service Media, it is my pleasure to warmly welcome you to today's MOU signing ceremony, marking an important milestone in formalizing the Maldives as the host country for the 21st Asia Media Summit. We are honored by the presence of our distinguished guests and appreciate you for joining for this significant occasion. We will now proceed to the MOU signing ceremony. The MOU will be signed by Mr. Ahmad Shakib, Managing Director of Public Service Media, and Ms. Philomena Nanapragasam, CEO and Strategic Director of Asia Pacific Institute for Broadcasting Development. May I kindly invite the signatories to the signing table. Thank you. May I now respectfully invite the Managing Director of Public Service Media to formally present the official invitation letter to the CEO and Strategic Director of AIBD, marking the commencement of our journey towards the 21st Asia Media Summit. Thank you, MD and Ms. Philomena. We will now invite the Managing Director of Public Service Media to deliver his remarks. May I kindly request Mr. Ahmad Shakib, Managing Director of PSM, to address the gathering.
CEO and Strategic Director of the Asia Pacific Institute for Broadcasting Development, Ms. Philomena Nanapragasam. Members of the AIBD Delegation, Deputy Managing Director, Executive Directors and Senior Management of Public Service Media, PSM. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today marks a truly special milestone for us as we formally signed the MOU with AIBD to host the 21st Asia Media Summit 2026 in the Maldives. The occasion is not only significant for public service media, but also a proud moment for our beloved nation. For the first time in its history, the Asia Media Summit will be held in the Maldives, inshallah. This is a testament to the growing role our country plays within the regional media landscape and reflects the confidence placed in us by AIBD and its members. The theme of this year's summit, Maldives 2.0, From Tradition to Tech, tells a story that is deeply rooted in who we are as a nation. For centuries, communication in the Maldives was shaped by tradition and community. We used fire signals to send messages across islands, blow conch shells to inform people of danger and to gather or assemble people. We used coconut palm leaves as a medium to share information and exchange letters. These methods reflected our resilience, creativity, sustainability, and strong sense of togetherness as an island nation composed of small islands scattered across the ocean. As time progressed, so did our methods of communication. With the development of technological infrastructure and connectivity across the islands, the Maldives has steadily transitioned from these traditional forms of modern broadcasting and digital platforms. Today, through digital television, radio, online platforms, and social media, we are able to connect instantly with audiences across the country and beyond, ensuring that information, education, and culture reach every Maldivian, no matter how remote the islands are. The transformation lies at the heart of Maldives 2.0. the national vision of His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Moizu, a vision that embraces technology to improve public service delivery, empower communities, and create new opportunities for growth. In this journey, media plays a critical role as a bridge between government, society, and the global community. The 21st Asia Media Summit will play a significant role in supporting this transition. By bringing together media leaders, policymakers, innovators, and broadcasters from across Asia and beyond, the summit will enable knowledge sharing, capacity building, and collaboration. It will help us learn from regional and global best practices, explore emerging technologies, and strengthen our ability to serve the public in the digital era. Through AMS, the Maldives will not only showcase its journey from tradition to technology, but also gain valuable insights that will help accelerate our progress towards Maldives 2.0. The 21st Asia Media Summit, along with its pre-summit workshops, will be organized by Public Service Media and AIBD in close collaboration with relevant government agencies and national stakeholders. Together, we look forward to delivering a summit that is impactful, inclusive, and reflective of the evolving media environment in the Asia-Pacific region. The Maldives, with its unique geographical setting of dispersed islands across the Indian Ocean, presents both opportunities and challenges for media delivery. Our media landscape has continually adapted to ensure that information, education, and public service content reach every island and every community. Hosting the Asia Media Summit provides an important platform to share these experiences while also learning from our regional and global partners. In this journey of transformation, technology and media play a central role. Media is no longer just a channel of communication. It's a catalyst for innovation, transparency, and national development as well. The Asia Media Summit 2026 will provide an important forum to explore how tradition and technology can work together to shape the future of media. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Ms. Philomena Nanapragasam and the AIBD delegation for taking the time to visit the Maldives. We deeply appreciate your engagement, your partnership, and your willingness to experience the charm, culture, and warmth of our country firsthand. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to His Excellency President Dr. Mohamed Moizu, the government of the Maldives, and all relevant stakeholders for their continued support and guidance. Their commitment and collaboration have been instrumental in advancing national initiatives and in enabling the Maldives to host an international forum of this significance and magnitude. We look forward to working closely with AIBD in the months ahead and to welcoming the global media community to the Maldives in May 2026. Thank you once again, and I wish us all a successful partnership together. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, MD, for those insightful remarks. We are now honored to invite the Chief Executive Officer and Strategic Director of AIBD to share her remarks. May I kindly invite Ms. Philomena Nanapragasam to say a few words.
A very good morning to the Honorable Managing Director of Public Service Media, and that is PSM, Mr. Ahmed Shakib. Really good to meet you. And to the Honorable Deputy MD or DMD of PSM, Mr. Yamin, dignified gentlemen, ladies, and the team from AIBD. I would like to, first of all, thank PSM for this very historic moment of, taking a leap into tradition to tech. Because this is a great moment, because here we are sitting in an island, which I think the MD had told me there are more than 200 over inhabited islands, and we're trying to bring the media from different parts of the world together and see the success story of Maldives. So there is a great success story here to be told, how the people of Maldives, from using cowrie shells or horns to talk about their disaster at the moment. And today, You can see tsunami radars as you go along to Hulumali and different parts of Maldives. Solar energy, you name it. And you can, when I talked about doing an Asia Media Summit in Maldives, everyone was telling me, Philo, please count me in. And even when I said, you're going to go for another conference, and this person said, look, I don't want to miss Maldives. That is the hype that Maldives has. And I think that is the attraction that you have as Maldivian people. Now, I've been here from Saturday, and I've never been short of hospitality. The people, the smiles, from the MD right up to all the liaison officers, to everybody who has met us. You've just given us beautiful smiles and beautiful moments, and I'm very, very happy to be a part of this wonderful gathering of people. It's not just, I'm not just here to do a summit, but I'm here to mingle and to know you better as a people. It's not often that you get to meet the whole of Maldives, except when you come to Maldives, right? So we have had the pleasure of meeting colleagues in various summits, but this is a beautiful opportunity of knowing the people. And this opportunity is what we want to give to the world, for everyone to come here and witness and experience Maldives. And I would like to thank the management of PSM for putting together trips to Crossroads to view the sites, and this evening to Nautica, and yesterday at Kudagiri Island, which I think was a beautiful island. I was telling everybody, if I get stuck here, I've got lots of rabbits and chicken, so I won't go hungry. So, it's well thought of, a plan that is being arranged here, and it's beautiful. And even thinking of what strikes me most is the conservation, the preservation, the cleanliness of the water, and the way things are being kept in Maldives. Now, this is a great story, and sometimes the Asia Media Summit works with people of different countries to bring that story to the world. And that is what we are here for today, this last few days, getting to know the people and thinking of ways and means to do this together. Any conference is not done alone. It's always a collaboration of multiple partners, stakeholders, the countries themselves, and also the people. So it's going to be, I can guarantee you, it will be a wonderful experience, because we are going to come more often to Maldives. I don't think I can go home, So we go back, we'll come back, we'll send few teams, as DMD and MD had mentioned, to sit here and work with you and make this a huge success for the world to see. I say world because we are not just Asia Pacific. So we have Africa, we have members in Europe, we have the Middle East, we have the Americas. So we'd like to bring a lot of people to Maldives to experience the beauty of Maldives and to look at Maldives 2027, which is Visit Maldives Year. So I think the Asia Media Summit is a great starting point, or a great leverage or launch pad for Visit Maldives Year 2027. So it's going to be hopefully a real successful event with all of us working together. And we want to actually thank for you to take this leap from tradition to tech. 9 years ago, in 2017, I was here, but I was in Bandos Island doing the general conference. I only saw Bandos Island. And then I came to the airport ferry, and then straight away I went back to Malaysia. So I saw nothing of Mali. So today, this is exciting because I've been in Mali, I've been in Hulu Mali, and I've visited quite a few places, 3 islands eventually. So I think it's exciting. And I wish the best for all of you. And just remember that AIBD is here. It's an intergovernmental international body, right? Only one intergovernmental international media body, and intergovernmental because we have ministers who will be attending. Today I sent a message to the Minister of Papua New Guinea, and he immediately said, oh, I'm looking forward to it. So everyone's looking forward to Maldives, and so are we. And once again, I'd like to thank the team who brought us here, thank for the beautiful hospitality that we've been getting from day one. And I'd like to thank Minister Ibrahim Khalil, whom I met 9 years ago, and meeting him again this time around. And of course, to the vibrant President, Muzu, of Maldives. Now, I think he's a great man. He walks the talk because he's in the news more often than anybody. So I think that's a positive sign. So, and you've got a good leader, good leaders here at PSM, and I'm very confident that we can pull through a great AMS. And to my team who's here, and I'd like to thank them because they've been working day and night to prepare for this. To all of you, thank you, and all the best, and shukriya. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Philomena, for your continued support and partnership. With that, we come to the conclusion of today's MOU signing ceremony. This partnership marks a significant step forward in strengthening regional collaboration and sets the foundation for a successful 21st Asia Media Summit in the Maldives. On behalf of Public Service Media, I would like to extend our sincere appreciation to the AIBD delegation for being with us today, and to all the distinguished guests for your presence and support. Thank you for joining us on this special occasion. Have a pleasant day.